In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your payment method on Netflix. If you want to add in a new payment method and remove the existing one, you can easily do it within a few steps. So to complete this process, you'll need to open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com. Once you open up netflix.com, you'll need to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, just tap on the three lines on the top left and then open up account. From the accounts tab, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section of manage payment info. You can tap on it and it's going to show you your current payment method. Now before you delete your existing payment method, you need to add in a new one. Here it says to remove, you'll need to add a new payment method first. So just tap on add payment method and choose your payment method, whether it be any card or your PayPal account. After you add in your card, you'll have an option of remove right here. This way you'll be able to remove your existing card details or your PayPal details. So that was a process on how to delete your payment method on Netflix. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more content related to this, make sure you turn on the notifications of our channel. That's all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.